Hi everyone, welcome back. It's another video on this channel, and this is part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So this time around, we will be talking on how you can add video to your website. That is, you want to embed a video on your website. How can you achieve that? So let's go to our code and see what we have. So don't forget, as we did when we are doing the image part of the series, so you have to copy this video. So I have the video here. This is the video I want to use, so I already copied it to the root folder here. So you should also do that from your own end. Then what we'll do is that I'll just come here. Let's have another div. So let's have h2. So, and let's say my latest video. So I have my latest video here. So to embed video on your page, what you just have to do is have angle bracket video, then close it. So inside here, you're going to supply the source. You know, when we are working with image, we have to supply the source also, but for video, you do it in another way. So let's say angle bracket source. So we have it here. So we have the source and the type of the video we are embedding. By the way, we are embedding an MP4 video. So let's come here. We are going to supply a relative path to our video. So this is just the video. It's part of the series. So let's save it and see what we have in our page. So come here, let's scroll down. You can see we have that video here showing, but it's very large. So how do we correct that? Let's go back to our code. So let's apply width. Let's make it something like 320. Then the height, let's make it 240. So let's go back to our page. You can see it's now making sense. Now let me reduce the zoom a bit. So now, but we cannot play this video. So the reason why we can't play the video is that there is an attribute that's still missing on the video part. So let's come back here. Let's put control. So let us add it that a user should be able to control the video. So you can see now we now have the volume, we have the view on the full screen and everything. So let's go back, let's play the video and see. So you can see now it's playing. So I can forward it, can go like that. So that is how you can add a video to your website. So in the next video, we'll be talking about how you can add audio. So, and I want to believe you are enjoying this series. You are enjoying it. You have anything that is not clear to you, shoot in the comment. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button. Thank you. Meet you in another release.